What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Good news, got some parts in, so I'm going to be installing them. Hopefully this bad boy will start up. See you guys in a sec. These are some of the parts that came in. Voltage regulator, brand new starter solenoid, oil filter from Ford, battery cables, spark plugs from Ford, more spark plugs over here, battery cable. So hopefully the solenoid and the voltage regulator does the trick to crank her over. If not, I do have a distributor on the way. I also have a starter on the way, and we'll just take it from there. So stay tuned. I'll be back in a couple seconds. I'm going to do a quick install, and see you guys in a sec. Alright guys, so I installed the starter solenoid. I installed a new voltage regulator, new battery cables, still waiting on a starter, still waiting on the carburetor, still waiting on the distributor to come in, but I'm going to give it a shot and see if she cranks over with the new parts that I just installed. Hopefully she at least cranks, and the new parts that are on the way are just a plus. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Come on, please. Please, 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 please. It's a neutral. Oh, yep, a neutral. Alright. Let's see. Oh my God. She's turning over. We got, oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. Yes, yes. She works, she cranks. She's not getting any spark, but she's cranking. Which means, oh, I smell gas. Which means, most likely I gotta change the plugs. I haven't done that yet. Once the distributor comes in, she should fire right up. Yes, we got progress. We got progress, Bella. We got progress. She's cranking. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm still gonna change a couple more parts. I got a cable that I'm gonna run from the solenoid to the starter, brand spanking new. Also got new ground wires that came in that I'm gonna connect also. So progress, guys, progress. I'm just so excited right now. I can't even think or talk. See you guys in a couple seconds.
Peace out.
All right, guys, so with all the new parts installed, she is cranking over. The gas tank is empty. I'm going to order a new gas tank tonight, replace the gas tank, and try to fire her up. But we have some huge progress. I am so happy right now that she's actually cranking over. Motor is spinning like butter, sounds healthy. I'm also going to change the spark plugs while I'm at it, change the fluids. Haven't got a chance to do that yet. Just want to try to get her to crank over. So I'm just super happy and I can't wait. And thank you everyone for all the support and for all the views and comments that you guys have been sending me, and all the tips that you guys have been sending me on helping me to start my Mach 1 back up and to get her back on the road. So I will be uploading again once the new gas tank comes in, once I change the fluids, once I change the carburetor, and when the distributor comes in, it should be golden. And then we'll take it from there. I am just so super happy, super ecstatic, and see you guys soon. Peace.